to the rutile quartz. Beautiful rutile quartz. It's a very unique and beautiful mineral combination. It usually forms when rutile needles or fibers embed within quartz cluster. Clarity varied from transparent to opaque. The hardness is 7 on the Mohs scale. Chemical composition is quartz with the rutile. It is found in high temperature quartz veins associated with other minerals like tourmaline, feldspar, and mica, mainly sourced from Brazil, Madagascar, and Australia. It also has the metaphysical properties like it amplifies intuition and mental clarity, enhances creativity and manifestation, productive and grounding. Long thin rutile needles, as you can see. Beautiful brown topaz. It's a warm and earthy gemstone, clear to slightly included. The hardness is 8 on the Mohs scale. It forms in pegmatites, hydrothermal veins, and alluvial deposits. The chemical composition of this beautiful stone is aluminium silicate. Main sources are Brazil, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan. Brown topaz is relatively rare. Brown topaz is used in elegant and earthy jewelry pieces. Stone of November. Green agate.